There is a lot of confusion about abortion, but medically, what exactly is a D&D procedure? Dilation and evacuation, or D&D, is a medical procedure usually performed during the second trimester of pregnancy. Why it's done? It may be done due to medical complications, fetal conditions, or serious risks to the mother's health. Dilation. The first step involves gently dilating or whitening the cervix. Why dilation matters? This allows safe access to the uterus while reducing the risk of injury. Evacuation. Next, specialized medical instruments are used to remove the pregnancy tissue from the uterus. Medical supervision. The procedure is performed by a trained and licensed medical professional. Anesthesia. Anesthesia is typically given to minimize discomfort and manage pain. Duration. The procedure itself usually takes around 20 to 30 minutes. Aftercare. Afterward, rest and follow-up care are important for recovery. Possible risks. Like any medical procedure, D&D carries potential risks that should be discussed with a doctor. Emotional impact. For many patients, this can also be an emotional experience, not just a physical one. Importance of guidance. That is why proper counseling and medical guidance are essential. Understanding medical procedures helps you make informed decisions. Subscribe to the channel for more health education content.